Welcome to Greylogs Estate at 275 Montgomery Drive in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This residence offers 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a finished basement, wine cellar, and a garage, and it's got approximately 5,000 plus square feet.
This peaceful setting offers a huge swimming pool with your own private poolside bar, and the views that you're looking at over this wide open acreage is just truly amazing.
Offering ultimate privacy, a peaceful setting, and a rare opportunity to own 20 acres nestled just outside of the city of Spartanburg.
The home emulates the famous Grove Park Inn in Asheville with stunning fireplace, meticulous woodwork, and a gorgeous stone, wood, and log exterior appearance. Originally built in 1925, you truly own a piece of history, as this property served as the country retreat for Victor Montgomery and his family, while their in-town residence was the prestigious Piedmont Club.
Whether you're looking for 7 acres or 20 acres, this private retreat could be subdivided however you'd like.
The peaceful setting offers a spring-fed 1-acre pond, multiple acres of rolling pastures and woods, a 3-stall horse barn, and Spartanburg County's first ever in-ground pool.
Enjoy sensational sunrises and sunsets from your large screened-in front porch and stone patio.
The home is in a close 5-minute proximity to downtown Spartanburg and would make an exceptional family home with District 7 schools.
This property also offers close proximity to Interstate 85 with easy access to Charlotte, Greenville, Asheville, or Atlanta.
Don't miss your chance to come see this spectacular piece of property. Give us a call today.